What's up, y'all? Malik back again with another video. Yes, I'm in floating head mode for this one. This is a deck that we knocked out last week. Took about 9 to 10 hours over the course of a couple days. A $2 ticket. Figured it's a nice backdrop for the topic at hand today.
Hollywood, I'm shooting a video, man. So what's up? Smell the camera.
And I'm gonna give it to you straight, man. You see the title of this video. Life is but a game, and if you are not playing a game of life, you are being played. You are being played by yourself, or you're being played by somebody else who's conscious of the game going on. We live in the information era that everything is out there. The secret to do everything is out there. All you have to do is figure out the information and apply it in your own life. But it's crazy because most people are not conscious enough to take the necessary steps to better themselves. And there's a million different reasons for this, but the number one reason is that they have not been able to conquer their lower nature. Okay, the same thing that's making you eat this junk food even though you want to have a six-pack, the same thing that's making you sit and binge watch Netflix instead of working on your own business or getting money however you need to be getting money. Dominating your lower nature is so important when it comes to creating the life that you want, okay? When you silence the beast, it makes room for the creator to come out and manifest whatever it is that you're looking to create. And you have to do that consciously. Understand, this is not no woo-woo, this is just fact. All high performers, top performers across the world understand and implement the same discipline. Keep operating on your lower self and watch how the universe uses you to create other people's dreams. Other people who are conscious of what's going on. And this is not to say that working for somebody is bad. There's nothing wrong with a 9 to 5. You have to do what you have to do. We all have our responsibilities. But just consider, is what I'm doing getting me any closer to the thing that I wanted to do since I was a child? Is it getting me any closer to the things that I want to do now? Or is this just me waking up, repeating the same thing over and over again like a robot, going into work, checking in and doing what they need me to do, going home, enjoying my Netflix, enjoying all my lower urges, whatever the case may be, and restarting the day? Are you a conscious human, creating things in this life, making your own decisions, moving at the beat of your own drum? Are you a robot programmed by somebody else to do something that they want you to do? Something that you have no idea what it is, you don't really care what it is, you're just doing it because they told you to do it. Only you know the answer to that question, but if you want to be free in life, which is what this channel is about, you better start taking the necessary steps to make this happen. Otherwise, you're going to be 50, 60, 70 years old, then you finally wake up, you finally become conscious, and it's like, damn, what just happened? This whole time my life is over, and I didn't do anything that I wanted to do. Food for thought, keep hustling. Appreciate you for watching. Peace.
Focus, I can't go.